Weary, my feet are sore, but on the horizon I see your door. You renew my strength like eagles fly, teaching me to soar above every side. Renewed hope, mercy that never ends. With every new morning, your kindness descends. Winter has passed, the flowers appear. My old lament is now joy sincere. And even when I stumble, you lift me high. With a smile in your eye, child, let's ride. Because the night may be long, but morning always comes, and with it your promise, I am with you, overcome. Renewed hope, your kindness descends.